This Valentine's Day, we wanted to do something special. After tossing a few ideas, we gravitated to our favorite adventure, visiting a tiger reserve. So, hopped on a flight and landed in Nagpur. As always, we left all the planning in the trusted hands of Beyond Wild and Mihir Mahajan. Following familiar forest trails, we eventually reached Gothangao. To make this trip even more special, we had booked an incredible stay inside the jungle campus, the Bee Bamboo Forest Nature Conservancy. Just like its name promises, the property is surrounded by beautifully manicured bamboo plantations and unique treehouse-style cottages overlooking the safari track. The morning game drive had blessed the earlier visitors with the sight of 4 sub-adult tigers enjoying a kill, so our expectations were high. All the gypsies headed straight to the spot where they were last seen, and sure enough, we found them lounging in the afternoon sun. We spent our entire evening safari with them, watching as they yawned, shifted positions, cooled off, and groomed themselves. Even in their lazy mood, they kept us entertained and thrilled. As we kept on clicking pictures to our heart's content, completely absorbed in the magic of the moment, the cubs slowly began to stir from their lazy afternoon stillness. One by one, they started grooming themselves, licking their paws with deliberate care, stretching their tiny limbs, yawning wide enough to reveal sharp little teeth, and twisting their supple bodies in the most endearing ways. Their movements were unhurried and full of innocence, as though the world beyond their patch of shade did not exist. The female cub seated confidently at the center was clearly the leader of the pack, even at such a tender age. There was something commanding yet graceful about her presence, and the others seemed instinctively aware of it. Every now and then, they would glance in her direction, as if silently waiting for her signal to rise from her siesta and set the tone for the next burst of activity. But the little damsel appeared entirely unconcerned with their expectations. She was deeply engrossed in her grooming ritual, carefully licking her fur, pausing to blink lazily at the world, and then resuming her task with calm determination. In no mood to move about or entertain the restless anticipation of her siblings, she seemed perfectly content ruling her tiny kingdom from the comfort of her spot. Next morning, we were the first to arrive for the drive, brimming with hope and quiet anticipation. The sky was still dark, and a pale golden light was soon going to filter through the treetops. There was something deeply satisfying about being the earliest ones there, as if the wilderness had opened its gates just for us. The air carried that unmistakable freshness of a new day, filled with promise and the possibility of unforgettable sightings. Unlike the warm, languid afternoons we had grown accustomed to, the jungle at daybreak felt entirely different, crisp, cool, and gently awakening. The forest felt alive yet restrained, as though it was stretching itself awake, preparing for another day of silent dramas and hidden stories. We had several hit and miss moments, until finally, we struck gold, a young male tiger, looking like a fluffy fur ball on his morning stroll. He seemed a bit hassled by all the gypsies around him, but eventually slipped back into the forest, leaving us wandering and wondering. But the best of the trip was still waiting to unfold. In our last safari, there was an unusual sense of anticipation in the air, as though the forest itself was quietly preparing to reveal a final, unforgettable secret. We sat alert and hopeful, soaking in every sound and shadow, unaware that this drive would soon become the highlight of our entire journey. We spotted a male cub near the open field. He swam, he walked, he crouched, he groomed, and then casually sat down looking at the surrounding calmly. He even crossed the safari track at a point visible right from our cottage. While most vehicles followed him, we chose to explore deeper into the forest, and that decision paid off. We were rewarded with another magnificent tiger who stayed with us patiently, giving us an unforgettable sighting. This was one of the most exciting roadblocks a wildlife enthusiast can hope for. A young male tiger sitting calmly across the safari track. Everything came to a stop, not because of traffic, but because of his powerful presence. He rested confidently on the dusty path, his golden coat and bold stripes glowing in the light, his sharp eyes quietly observing his surroundings. For wildlife lovers, such a moment is rare and unforgettable, a true highlight of any safari. Suddenly, the young tiger seemed to wake up with purpose. He stretched, sharpened his senses, and quietly began to practice his hunting skills, carefully stalking as he set his sights on unsuspecting jungle fowls nearby. His curious eyes, soft pink nose, and perfectly clean, shiny coat were truly mesmerizing. Every little detail of his face and fur drew your attention, making it impossible to look away from his enchanting, innocent charm. He sat there quietly, watching the safari goers with a curious gaze, tilting his head slightly as if trying to figure them out. It almost seemed like he was wondering, what are these crazy humans doing in my jungle? Finally, he gave one last big yawn, stretching his powerful body, and slowly got up. With a calm, regal air, he began to stroll through his kingdom, moving gracefully as if he owned every inch of the jungle around him. He walked slowly by the edge of the lake, pausing occasionally to watch the birds returning to their nests. His calm, measured steps and watchful gaze made it clear he was the silent observer of his peaceful kingdom. Watching him walk so gracefully along the natural ramp, with calm water flowing on one side and wide, green fields stretching all around, felt like stepping into a beautiful dream. Every movement of his was smooth and elegant, full of quiet confidence. The sunlight danced on his fur, the gentle breeze rustled the leaves, and the birds chirped softly in the distance. Everything came together perfectly, creating a magical, peaceful scene that felt almost too perfect to be real. With hearts full and memory cards overflowing, we wrapped up our green-soaked adventure and headed home with the brightest Valentine's Day memories.